Biker moms are a special breed of cool. For Mom's Day, we don't need flowers. We don't need a huge shindig. What we really want, we want to spend time with our kids and maybe go for an epic ride with our loved ones. To make that ride even better, get Mom some Ciro accessories. Whether Mom is pilot or passenger, make her day brighter, much more comfortable and stylish with Ciro. Are you a cool mom? Well, you ride, so yeah. You know, your kids are out there trying to figure out what to get you. I mean, do you really want a shirt? Not. Do you want flowers for Mom's Day? No. What we really want, we want to spend time with our children and maybe to go out on a great ride. Make it a great riding experience with the accessories Mom may need. Does she need a drink holder, a phone holder, some highway pegs, passenger drink holder? Come on, guys, just get Mom what she wants and needs. Happy Mother's Day. I hope you get all the badass Ciro accessories you have been wanting this year. My ideal of the perfect Mom's Day is getting to spend time with both of my sons. However, this year, I plan to roll out with my son Jordan and hopefully hit our favorite barbecue joint in epic style on the bikes. This year, I don't get to spend Mother's Day with my son Jacob. My son is in the U.S. Navy aboard the USS Harry S. Truman. And I want to give a special shout out to all the military moms out there. Happy Mother's Day.